Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're gonna make this amazing DIY neon sign. If you go to market and buy a neon sign, it's gonna cost you around 5 to 10,000, but we're gonna make this under 1,000 rupees. Yes, we're gonna make it. So without wasting any of our further time, let's get started. So in order to get started, you're gonna need is a canvas, and you can get canvas according to your need, according to the size of your wall, according to your neon size. Actually, I ordered this online from daraz.pk for rupees 300, and its size is about 24 by 18 inches. This is the size which I wanted on my wall. Actually, I measured it before ordering that how much size I want, and this is how it turned out. I am actually loving its quality. It's amazing. Now I need is some black acrylic paint and a paintbrush. Just start painting it all. This step is totally optional. If you want your neon sign background to be white, you can just leave it as it is, or even if you want to paint anything else like any trees or leaves, you can also go for that, but I simply painted it with some black paint. So I wrote here good vibes only. You can go for any other code or even your name, whatever you want to write. So this is the main thing which you need, which is neon el wire, which I bought online also from daraz.pk, and it was for rupees 661 including delivery charges, and its quality is amazing. It is really good, and it's of dark pink color. You can go for any of your favorite color, whatever you want of your neon sign to be. So in order to paste it, I used super glue, plus I used hot glue, but the super glue worked best, so I suggest you to use super glue to paste this wire on all over your coat. And after pasting it all, this is how it turned out. I make some holes on the corners to put the wire at the back, and I secure it with some tape. So I'm doing the last one in front of you guys, so you can see how I did the rest of them. So I made a hole here using my scissors. I'm gonna tuck in my wire inside the hole. The hole was kind of bigger, so it was not looking good. So in order to fill this hole, what I did, I took some scotch tape and I put a black paper on that, and I pasted this at the back of my canvas so as to secure the hole because it was not looking good. And I did the same thing with the rest of my holes. You can see here, I'm gonna show you. Now join both of your wires and we are done. Now the last step is to secure your battery at the back of your canvas using some scotch tape, and you're good to go. So this is how it turned out. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. That's it for today's video, and thank you so much for watching. If you have any queries, you can ask in the comment section below, and